Welcome to Make Money with Rhino. My name is Ryan, and I want to give you my review of Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 and see if it's worth purchasing or not. Now, for those of you that are new to affiliate marketing like I was going through countless hours of YouTube videos trying to find out where I was going to find and start my online business. And I came across a couple of affiliate programs. A lot of them were gurus, were just trying to sell me things and weren't actually using the products that I needed. And then I came across Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, where I found out about Jonathan, who was an electrical engineer and left his 9-to-5 job and built this system that I'm going to walk you through, and is now making well over 6 figures. And the cool thing about Jonathan is not only does he have a Facebook group with multiple people in there, over 1,300 people that you can learn from. He's in the trenches with us every single day, giving us resources and tips and always updating the content in his program to make sure that not only are we successful, but that he's successful too in promoting and giving us the most up-to-date information. So again, we can change our financial future and be financially successful online. So with that being said, I think there's no better option when it comes to affiliate marketing courses than the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 program by Jonathan Montoya. And again, this is Jonathan right here. This training teaches you proven and working affiliate marketing strategies, which have helped, again, many people make over $1,000 a month easily just by going through his step-by-step program. And again, it's updated continually, which I absolutely love. And he's in the trenches with you, showing you how to do it. So this 3-day challenge, there's an investment of $7 that you can use to get started with this. And I think this is the best $7 investment that you're going to be able to get for a 3-day detailed training that's going to help you get access to advanced affiliate marketing strategies, which have helped, again, Jonathan Montoya leave his engineering job and become a full-time affiliate marketer. Now, I'm going to pause right there and say, at the end of this course, if you stay with me, I'm going to give you a free resource that you're going to be able to utilize to see if this, again, is going to be something that you want to take part in. And this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You do have to put in the time and the effort in order to be successful in affiliate marketing. So if you're looking to get rich, quickly, this is not going to be the course for you. You definitely have to follow the steps in order to, have the strategies be proven. You can't skip anything because, again, you won't be successful by skipping out on the knowledge that you need to be an successful affiliate marketer. So let's go ahead and talk about just kind of some of the things that Jonathan's clients are seeing just going through this course. So as you can see, again, I said they have a Facebook group, but affiliates are making commissions every single day by utilizing this program that Jonathan has created. And the cool thing about it, as you can see right here, people are getting, like we said, over $1,000+ a month or even a day sometimes just by promoting, again, and learning through Jonathan, which is phenomenal. One thing that I do want to share as well too is I want to take you through what you're going to learn in that 3-day challenge. So let's go over here right here and the 3-day challenge. So what's awesome about day one, as you can see, the Freedom Breakthrough Challenge, day one challenge over here, Jonathan has all these videos that he walks you through. You have a workbook that you can go through, and he gives you homework too, again, in your Facebook groups and stuff to keep you successful. You have to implement what you learn so you can be successful too, and that's what I love about Jonathan. He always makes you implement what he teaches you before you move on to the next step so you can be successful. So day one, what's the breakthrough and day one? So when day one, you talk about advanced and basic information about affiliate marketing, and Jonathan will take you through that. He'll teach you and tell you about his journey on how he started his affiliate marketing business and left his 9-to-5 job. He's also going to share with you the students that have walked through his course, and they're going to share the results with you of how they've made $1,000+ every single day just by promoting affiliate marketing products. And then he's going to give you some basic information about affiliate marketing, and he's going to share some advanced strategies with you, like the affiliate marketing eco-stacking system that helps you get affiliate sales every single day on autopilot, which is awesome. And then in day two, what Jonathan does is he helps you build your affiliate marketing funnel the right way. So a funnel is essentially a page that you drive people to in order to promote the products. And again, you don't have any customer service. You don't have to create any of your products. He talks about that. It's literally promoting other people's products So it's less hassle and worry for you, and it makes it easier for you to get up and running and super fast. So on day 2, he's going to show you how to build your entire affiliate marketing funnel in front of you, and then he's going to give you access to templates and funnel templates that he's used, so you don't need to waste hours of your time trying to find out what funnels work and which ones don't. We're going to give you the proven step-by-step strategy after this training so you can get up and running as quickly as possible. He's going to take you through how to find the right product to promote. He's going to teach you how to set up your affiliate marketing funnel. He's going to teach you how to set up your email marketing strategy, and then he's going to teach you how to set it all up and automate it so that you can literally make money while you sleep. And that's all in day 2. And then after we teach you all of that, now we've set everything up, on day 3, he's going to teach you how to get traffic to your affiliate marketing funnel. You're going to get a complete training from Jonathan about traffic strategies. He's going to show you some advanced strategies, which he uses to drive traffic to his affiliate marketing funnel. And in the overview, what you're going to learn on day 3 is you're going to utilize strategies like driving people to TikTok to get traffic and sales. You're going to utilize YouTube to get traffic and sales. You're going to utilize Facebook groups. You can also use paid traffic. He talks about that, like Google Ads and things of that nature. And then you're also going to be able to partner with him. And then what's cool about it, at the end, if it's something you decide to go through with, you can actually even promote this course and make a commission on it as an affiliate, which is awesome. So overall, in this 3-day challenge, you're going to learn an affiliate marketing tactics and strategies and funnels that he uses to make money online, and it's going to be given to you, which is awesome. So you can get up and running in your business absolutely in the fastest time possible. And with this too, Jonathan also gives a ton of bonuses that are available to you that are well worth over $500+, and you get them all for free in this training. And so these bonuses, as you can see right here, let me go, bonuses. He'll walk you through all the bonuses that you can get, and you get all of this again just for $7. Now, if you're still looking at if you should go through with this, can this really change my life? I want to tell you that Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 is by far going to be the best option for you and the most cost-effective option for you to get started with your affiliate marketing journey and changing your financial freedom. The cool thing about this is, since I told you I was going to give you a thing at the end of this video, free ebook. So there's a free ebook with the 7 steps which are proven to build this online from scratch, which will walk you through. Again, it's free to you. You just go ahead and click on the link below down in the description of this video, and you can get this for free. It'll walk you through how to do all of this before you make that commitment, if this is something you want to do. And again, change your future and set yourself up financially. The free ebook is Jonathan's 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate. And again, you will get this all for free. All you have to do is click on the link down below. It'll download and send an email to you. You can look through it and see if this is something you want to get started with. And if so, I hope you do take the opportunity to change your financial freedom. But again, I highly recommend Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. If you're interested, go down to the link in the description, download the free ebook to learn more, and I look forward to seeing you join the program. Talk to you later.